So today we are going to Epcot and we're going to ride Ratatouille for the first time. I'm so excited. But our friend Katie, you'll probably remember her from other vlogs she's been in, has gifted us a stay at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. So that's where we are right now. And I'm right by a window and you can see some giraffes outside the window. Let me see if you can see. Oh, there's a lot of glare. There they are. Here is the lobby for Kidani. Stairs going down for more viewing places for the savannah. So we are in our room now. It's a really nice room. So here's the bathroom. It's all one room. Hello, here's my outfit. We have a shower and the sink and everything. We have a little kitchenette, a refrigerator, coffee. Nice amour. Hey, that's a wardrobe, whatever it's called. Here's the room. Let me get a better look from here. We have a few things that we set down. So we have a TV, pull-out couch. I feel like it's pretty spacious in here. Oh, don't pay any attention to our things over here. And then we have outside, we're on the second floor. And here we are.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Here's what we have outside. I did. I showed them some animals, and I'll show them again later. We have like animals on the other side.
Now we have to go get on the Ratatouille ride.
Yeah, now we're gonna go because our boarding group is going to be called soon for the Ratatouille ride. So we'll be going there next. Bye. Oh.
Hello.
Good morning. Is that thing way? Where am I? Let's see. There it is. As he was mooing. Let's see. There's a giraffe. There's like 3 giraffes.
How do they keep them from like running at the window? Is the zebra there?
I don't know. Maybe they're not interested in running at windows.
There's gotta be something.
He's eating a giant branch.
This is so nice.
The thing's like still mooing.
These cameras aren't that
Look. Look at the zebra. Oh, there's a baby one. Julie, look. There's a baby one. There's a baby one. How cute. Hello.
They're just like all going.
Oh, he's itching himself. Look, he's like arching his neck.
Mom's like, well, the breakfast, we're not gonna be able to get breakfast. I said, breakfast. I'm like, well, we're gonna have to get breakfast. Oh, like, that's ridiculous.
Look, he's still, that's the same one we were watching up there. Still like trying to eat that branch.
Oh, good.
That's his breakfast.
Over at Jumbo House and Boma.
Oh, there's an ostrich. It's over by the...
Yeah, there were 2.
He's way back there. There he is. No, that's not an ostrich. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is.
Ooh.